Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that affects us all, the connection between stress and blackhead prevention. But first, I want to introduce you to something that's been a game changer for my wellness routine, the Medicinal Garden Kit. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to grow their own medicinal herbs at home. It includes everything you need to cultivate plants that can help reduce stress naturally. I've been using it for a few months now, and it's amazing how much it helps me unwind. Check the link in the description to get your own medicinal garden kit. Alright, let's get into today's topic, the connection between stress and blackhead prevention. You might be wondering, how does stress play a role in something as specific as blackheads? Well, it's all connected. Let me explain. When we're stressed, our bodies produce more of the hormone cortisol. High levels of cortisol can lead to increased oil production in our skin, which can clog pores and lead to blackheads. Plus, stress can also cause inflammation, making existing skin issues worse. So, managing stress is a crucial step in preventing blackheads. Here are a few tips to help keep stress levels down and your skin clear. Tip number 1, practice mindfulness. Start incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Tip number 2, stay active. Regular physical activity is a fantastic way to reduce stress. It doesn't have to be intense, even a short walk in your neighborhood can help. Tip number 3, use natural remedies. And of course, consider using natural remedies. This is where the Medicinal Garden Kit comes in handy again. Growing your own herbs like chamomile and lavender can provide you with natural stress relief options right at home.